How to use Fortnite split screen on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Fortnite split screen on PC. First, launch a duo or squad game in Fortnite. You can use split screen mode to play with a friend on PlayStation or Xbox consoles. Other platforms are not yet supported. Keep in mind that split screen is only available as couch co-op on a single console at a time. If you want to play with others online, you can add friends or enable crossplay. Now turn on the second controller. Use the PlayStation button or Xbox button to turn the other controller on. This will open the user sign-in menu. Then select a new user. The second controller will be signed into this account. You'll be taken back to the Fortnite screen. You should see P2 login and hold at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the second controller, hold the designated button. On PlayStation controllers, this should be X. On Xbox controllers, this should be A. You'll be logged into the second account on Fortnite. This may take a few moments. When it's finished, you will see the character of the second account load in. Next, set your builds. By default, Player 1 will have control over the screen. To switch to Player 2, hold X on PlayStation or A on Xbox on the second controller. When Player 2 has control, you will see a white border around the screen. To return the control to Player 1, hold X on PlayStation or A on Xbox on the first controller. After that, select Ready. This will be triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox. When the game loads, it will be on the split screen. Player 1 will be at the top and Player 2 will be at the bottom. You can now play Fortnite in split screen co-op. If you are having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable. Split screen mode will not work if you have connection issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.